Hey guys, welcome back. Well, we got a new project on the bench, and what we're going to tackle next is another Revell kit, and it is a 67 Plymouth GTX we're going to tackle. Kind of running through dry fit, checking offsets for wheels, and kind of in the planning stages right now. We'll kind of run through some ideas with you. Hang on one sec, we'll get the box out of the way. Hold on. Bring the car into view. And we're going back down. All right, kind of got it interior taped together, and Elmer's adhesive tacks got the front and rear suspension in, so I can check out wheel offsets and how much room I got to excuse me, play to get this thing lowered, because you know I like them kind of low, so we're gonna go that way again. Looks like a half decent kit out of the box. We can get some detail in. It's got separate door panels, so we can get in and paint seats and do some door panel details, as we like to do. Motor basically is just sitting in there right now. I got the heads glued on, block halves, water pump timing cover, all glued in place just to check my clearances for pulleys and belts. And yeah, wheels. Well, we're going to use the stock wheels on the kit and the stock tires. We're going to modify the wheels a little bit. Hang on one sec. Let's see if I can get this in frame. Hold on. Let's get the car out of the way. In come the wheels. Hang on. And we're going back up. And the wheels are coming in. Got a new camera, so can't zoom with this thing. Get the light down where you can see what's going on. Too much light. So I've got the stock wheels. I've got on the right hand side are like a 5-spoke mag, and the ones on the left hand side are more of the stock wheels. And I've had got some chrome rings in my stash that I've been saving over the years, and I'm gonna make I got them taped on the wheels right now, and what I'm trying to do is get a kind of a deep dish look. And is this gonna focus? So we're going to try and get a deep dish look to these stock wheels, or the mag style wheels. I'm not sure which style I really like with the car. And as you may have guessed, because I've done some blue highlight with Tamiya clear blue, their clear blue tint on both sets. The car is going to be some kind of blue, of course. And there's the mag wheel. Come on, focus. So I want to get more of a deep dish look. We're going to use the stock tires. I still have to epoxy these together, but I've just got them taped right now. But anyway, guys, let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on wheels, either the mag style or the stock version. So that's kind of plans for wheels. And as I mentioned, we're going to use the stock tires that came with the kit. Stock tires, they either give you a black wall or a red wall. I've tried the wheels with both. If I was going to leave them unpainted, I'd probably go with the red wall, but because we're going with a blue paint, we're going to go black wall. Motor, as I mentioned, is still in kind of preliminary assembly here. I've got my motor parts that I still need to paint, of course. And we've got our pulley set we're going to do. We got water pump. We got, whoops, that's a crankshaft. We've got water pump. And the small alternator pulley we're going to run. Oh, frame. There we go. And the stock alternator comes with a bracket on it. I haven't checked to see whether I'm going to use that bracket or make my own bracket. We'll we'll see how this build goes, and you'll have to stay tuned to see how I mount this alternator. I'm not sure whether I'm going to use the stock mount with it or cut it off and make my own mount. It depends on how all these pulleys line up and what clearances I've got for it. But anyway, that's kind of where we are, guys. Early stages. Stay tuned and check on how the build goes. And as usual, thanks for stopping by. We'll talk to you soon. See you.